This is the Mountfield 1530H. So this is the hydrostatic Mountfield lawnmower. This lawnmower also comes in manual as well. The Mountfield is a great machine for small to medium size lawns. So they start off at this size of deck, which is a 30-inch deck. It has Mountfield's own engine, which is very reliable. The hydrostatic drive makes it very easy to use. So you have the pedal that goes forward and the pedal to go back. So very smooth operation. 30-inch cutting deck, so up to an acre for the cutting. And an easy to use grass box as well. Easy to engage the blades. You just pull up this handle and the blades, you can then just start cutting away. This Mountfield can come with the option of mulching as well. So you'll be able to put a mulch plug into the back here, which means that you don't have to collect your grass and it will just lay on your garden and it will disappear into the grass. And it's good to put that goodness back into the grass.